And today I'm going to show you how to make $456 per sale on CLICKBANK. This is CLICKBANK affiliate marketing for beginners. CLICKBANK itself is an affiliate network that allows people to sign up for free without paying any monthly subscriptions. Before I get into the details of this video, my friend, let me remind you that my channel is all about making money. I create videos that show people how to make money online. So if you are looking for ways and means of using the power of the internet to make money online and working from home, then my friend, you are watching the correct channel at the right time. So like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications that you may not miss any broadcast from this channel. So without wasting any more time, my friend, let's get into the discussion on how you're going to make $456 per sale on CLICKBANK. This is clickbank.com, and it's an affiliate network, over 200 countries, over 20 years old, $4.2 billion paid so far to affiliates, and then you can become an affiliate. Affiliate marketing is just selling other people's products, and that's it. All right. So I've got other videos that can give you more detail on what affiliate marketing is all about on my channel right here. After signing up for free, you see this dashboard and you go to Marketplace, and then on the left-hand side, you see the categories of the products that you can market, right? So you're going to click where it says e-business, e-marketing. Look for a product that is called 12-minute affiliate. You click that. It's called the 12-minute affiliate system. It's a hot offer. The average dollar per conversion is $156. So this is average, but you've got a potential of making up to $456 per sale with upsells, which I'm going to show you in a minute. This is the sales page. In the last 28 days, 99 people managed to sell this product and they got some money. So let's go into the affiliate page. Who else wants to earn monthly residual income and up to $456 per sale by promoting the #1 affiliate offer on CLICKBANK? So this is the creator of the product. It's called the 12-minute affiliate. It's a plug and play system that finally makes affiliate marketing as easy as it has always been promised to be. Simply plug and play activation as little in 12 minutes. Easily earn commissions in the biggest and most profitable niche markets. Build a huge email list. Follow up with your leads for months on complete autopilot. That follow-up system right here is fantastic. About 3 months of following up a person who drops their name into your autoresponder. Any serious online marketer, you have to have some tools. You have to have a funnel builder. You have to have an autoresponder. Those are a must. You have to have a tracking system in place. And you have to build your own email list through your autoresponder. Through your funnel, you'll be building your own email list because money is in the email list. If you are not building your email list, then my friend, you're going to continue to fail and to get frustrated. You might get one sale here and there, but your progress is not predictable. But when you have an email list and you're building an email list, then you are building your asset, your online asset, which is going to work for you all the time. Okay, so you promote affiliate products with the click of a button, perfect for newbies and intermediate marketers. So why you should promote 12-minute affiliates? 12-minute affiliates, actually it works. We have spent over 7 years perfecting it. We are monster split testers. There is what is called split testing, right? You set up a system, you launch it, you test it, you see how it is performing. If it's not performing well, then you do another variation, you launch it, you see how it works, and until you optimize the whole system and you see what is working, until your engine is well oiled and you are ready to go. 7 chances to earn commissions, big dollar or recurring, for everyone who buys through your affiliate link. Got some testimonials. You earn 50% on every stage. The entry point, get 50% of $10, and that's one niche. They've got upsells, one-time offer, which they are selling for $39, and you get 50% of that. And then one-time offer number 2, which is $67. If you want them to set up the system for you, you pay $67 one time, and you get 50% of that. And then $47 per month, and you'll be getting 50% recurring income, recurring revenue. That is about $23, $24 per month per customer, right? Then you've got additional upsells, $97 per month. It means $50 recurring right there for you, for the 3 niches. The 3 niches which they're talking about here is making money online or home business niche, and then the health and fitness niche, and then also you've got what they call personal development niche, and you'll be getting recurring income. If a person now comes in and they upgrade and they take everything to the end, your potential income per sale is $456. They've got fantastic resources for any affiliate. These are the swipes, link generator and swipes. You need some resources for you to market effectively. And this product has got all the resources in place. I've already acquired this product, and this is why I'm passionate about it, because I have analyzed it. I have done my due diligence to check what it is and what it does, how it is going, that it has got a low entry point. For you to know whether a product is a good product or not is whether it's got a free trial for a few days, or it has a low dollar entry point like this one. This is $9.95. Someone can easily get in. That's why it has got good conversion. That's why it's a hot product. But once someone buys right there, it means they are in a buying mood. It's very easy for them to pick up the next one. It's very easy for them to pick up the next one. They've already entered their bank details right here, and they are in a buying mode, and they can easily upgrade. They can easily upgrade. This is how to make money. All right. So, and also the other best part is that it has got recurring income. So it's possible for you and me to make a lot of money with this product. That's why I jumped on it. The other good part about it is that they've got what they call a done for you system. This is a done for you plug and play. It's a plug and play activation in 12 minutes, right? That's why they call it 12-minute affiliate system. So let me take you now to the back office of this system. This is the back office, right? You get started right there. You click here for a special welcome message from the owner, and then you create a free account right here in 2 minutes. You get your autoresponder in 2 minutes. You set up your autoresponder in 2 minutes. You activate your 12-minute affiliate funnels in 2 minutes. You can get your done for you set up in 2 minutes, and you can get your done for you traffic in 2 minutes. That's 2, 4, 6 up to 12 minutes. That's why they call it a 12-minute affiliate system. Of course, depending on your level, it may take you longer to set up this system, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because you've got all the instructions. There, you've got access the full written setup instructions right here. This is a booklet that you can follow to set up the whole system. And if you don't want to follow the booklet, you can allow these guys to do it for you, done for you setup. They can do it for you, and you pay them a one-time fee of $67. And that's it. You get your traffic step-by-step menu on the left, and you can get also access to their private Facebook group. So the first thing you do is to set up your link. You click here, and it takes you to sign up for CLICKBANK for free if you are not a member already, right? And then you take note of your CLICKBANK ID or your nickname, right? And then you stick it right there, and then you check that box, okay? And then you go to the next. Then you get your autoresponder. They prefer Aweber. You click that button if you don't have your Aweber account yet, right? So you click right there, and then you get your system set up, your autoresponder right there, okay? And then you set up your autoresponder. Right. There are some instructions on setting up your autoresponder right here. You've got your Aweber autoresponder. Then now you want to set up your email sequence, and they can hook the system to your account on Aweber, and then every day your prospects are followed up with this autoresponder. And then you set up your funnels, and the funnels are set up. I'll show you the funnels right in a minute. And if you don't want to go through all this on your own, they can set it up for you in 2 minutes, but you have to pay $67. And then you get your traffic right there. You can get one-on-one coaching. If you've got any problems, you can submit a ticket inside the system. And this is my account. And I've chosen home business. Of the 3 niches, I've chosen home business because I do affiliate marketing. You can click instant funnels right there. And these are the free funnels that you get with the system. You've got 20 funnels with the bridge page, right? The opt-in page, bridge page, and then that takes you to the sales page. So this is the #1 opt-in page. Who else wants to generate easy commissions and create the life of their dreams? If you order your traffic, this is what you get. You choose the type of traffic you want, right? Either home business, weight loss, or personal development, right? Then how much traffic? You get your traffic rate. These are the different amounts of traffic that you can get. So they can do everything for you. Other traffic methods. Okay? You can click and download it here. Fantastic. Then my autoresponders. Aweber. Then instant funnels. Instant funnels is what they are using to make those funnels. These funnels. These funnels. Okay. Then they've got the education center, the email swipes, integration, personal development, top affiliate products. This is a fantastic product that you can just plug and play. You can just pay a certain amount of money, and then you allow these people to do the whole donkey work for you. Let me show you my Aweber account. That's my 12-minute affiliate system right there. It's active. You can see that I am ready to go. Look at the email sequence, my friend. Got almost 90 days of follow-up system. This is on autopilot. If you've ever heard about autopilot business, this is autopilot business. You set it up once, and then this goes to work for you whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your family, with your wife, with your husband, whilst you are on your dream vacation, and the system is working for you. So my friend, I'm recommending a product that I have. I have acquired it and I am using it. So if you want a done for you system, that you can just plug and play and you start to make money on autopilot, this is the system to jump for, okay? You can use the link in the description below to acquire yours. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and we'll see you in the next videos.